Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a new purse unboxing, and I went to Louis Vuitton today and got this purse, and it is just a surprise for me because this purse is not even on my list. Like, I went there thinking of a different purse, but then I saw this on display and tried it on. I saw this before at Instagram during the pre-release of this purse, and it didn't even caught my eye. Like, I'm not really into this look, but when I saw it in person, like, I'm so surprised that it is love at first sight for me. And this is what it looks like inside. I don't even know what the name of the purse is, and it's just so crazy that I went home with this, but now that I have it, I now know what it's called, and this is it. So my SA gave me 2 dust bags, so this one, and then she got me also this drawstring. I didn't even ask her for a drawstring dust bag, but I'm glad that she gave me this, and this is it, guys. So are you ready? Because I am ready. And this is the Petite Malle Souple. And this is beautiful, beautiful, guys, in person, that I'm not even into this look, but seeing it in person, it's just changed how I view this purse, and it is just a well-made piece. I have 2 other Petite Malle Souple that I inspected, and finally I settled for this. And it is surprising that it is all made in USA. The one that I saw in store are all made in USA, so even though it is made from here, it looks really, really nice, and it is made so well and felt like it is made in France. I don't know if you guys don't mind where it is made. I don't mind it as well, but some bags that I got that has defects are from made in USA. I don't know from your experience, but from my experience, that is how I observe. But if I see one that's made in USA, even though it is made in USA, if the bag looks okay and perfect, I don't mind having it. This is the receipt that comes with it, and this is retail for 3,000 US dollars. And my SA told me that it is just arrived new from the store, and I love that it has 2 zipper pull, so you can zip it both at the same time like this. And I love that each side has reinforcement. And when I asked my SA why it is so pricey for a canvas bag, she told me that because it is from Petite Malle line, that's why it is pricey. And it has 4 feet at the bottom, and it is marked Louis Vuitton on each of the hardwares. I guess why this looks so pretty is because of the hardware and black leather trim, and also they included this luggage tag, which looks very pretty, and this handle. And inside, guys, it has this beautiful canvas black strap, and also a gold chain strap that looks like this. And this one feels substantial, guys, and it has LV etched here and also at the back. And to attach the strap, it has one D-ring here and another one here, and it's just so special that they also etched LV in here, and it's both on the opposite direction. And I love that it reinforced by putting another hardware here. And let's attach the strap, guys. So this is for the gold chain. We will do a mud shot also at the end, so you'll see how it looks on me. And this is what it looks like with a short strap. And this leather handle. I thought this will look bulky at first, but putting it on, it's just beautiful. It is so edgy, and yet it's a classic. There's like a classic look to it. And this is the canvas leather. Though I would prefer this to be in black leather strap, but this strap looks well with this as well, that it just adds to the edginess look of the purse. So inside has a black felt lining, and it looks like this. And it says here Louis Vuitton Paris, and the Made in USA tag is attached here. And also it has a slip pocket here at the back. And you can really put a lot inside, guys. Like, I'll see if I can put, this is the Christmas collection, and I have also a classic, and we're gonna put all in here. And this really fits with a lot of give to put inside. So you can already imagine how much we can put in here, as the 2 mini pochette fits inside plus more. So here you can just look how much will fit inside. So it has a wide width all around the purse. Very pretty, guys. If you see and try this on in person, you'll know what I meant. With a big strap, it looks like this. It is just so pretty. When I tried it on, I also tried the Lock Me, the new Lock Me that came out, and also the 1854 Speedy. But my heart is just calling for this purse, that I went home with this one instead. And if you love the multi-pochette, I guess you will appreciate this bag, because this is like an upgraded multi-pochette in my opinion. It's just so pretty with this leather trim on each side. And here I have my multi-pochette with me, and it looks like this side by side. So do you see what I mean, guys? Like, this is such a pretty purse, and gold chain hardware dangling, and also the long strap that goes with it. And I can also put this coin pouch here. So if you have a multi-pochette and will get this bag, you can mix and match with the strap, and also you can put a coin pouch here on the strap. And the difference also is this little gold strap can be placed to other purses, as it has a lobster claw at the end. Well, this one doesn't have a lobster claw. You have to attach it to the strap instead. As you can see, it only has a ring at the end, while this one has a lobster claw where you can attach it on your mini pochette, for example. It will look like this. So cute. So if you have a mini pochette, you'll see the difference in the strap. So this is way thicker and more substantial than this. And I'm also going to show you the difference of the gold hardware on the multi-pochette. So this is the multi-pochette, and this is from the Petite Malle Souple. So this is more thicker and more substantial than the multi-pochette strap. So what do you think of this, guys? I would like to hear your thoughts on this. I know that this may have different opinions, as the bag is priced more for the canvas look. However, it has two straps, it has a luggage tag, and it also has feet at the bottom. So that is how I justify it. And it also came from the classic Petite line, which will make this bag a classic by the look of it, because from the history of Louis Vuitton that it has. And I really love this black leather trim. It just looks so special. Like, it looks edgy and yet a classic. That's how I look at it. And it fits way more than you can just imagine because of the thicker width that it has. So the width of this bag is 3 3 1/4 width all around it. So you can really fit way more in this purse. Such a beautiful bag, guys. Like, I am so happy that I found this, though I will not be able to pay attention on this purse by looking at it online or at Instagram. But looking at this in person is one of those times where you can see it and then fall in love with it. Very pretty. So I would love to hear your opinion on this purse, and let me know. Let's talk in the comments down below, so we'll be able to have our different kinds of opinions and how we see this Petite Malle Souple. And thank you guys for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day. Let's now go ahead and do the mud shots.